Hey YouTube, this is HaloNerd33. Today I'm going to be making a video review of my Casio watch, which has a universal remote. First off, hold on, let me go into the light. Focus. Whatever. So right here, you can see the power button, it's that red one. The circle is the TV video, the up and down volume. Those two blue and green buttons are the channel up and down, and the numbers are for channels 2. On the side, the thing to switch like between stopwatch and whatever. On the top, just 2 buttons for random stuff. But anyways, let's get to the point. Let's try it on the TV. Well, hold on. There's my ceiling. Okay, hold on. I need to set it first. See, it has 32 settings, I think, that you could choose from. They're numbers, and then you just gotta scan through them to see which one is for your TV. And mine just happens to be number 1. So let's try this. I'm trying to get it in view too. Okay, here we go. See, turn on. My TV takes a while to go on. So yeah, that's my Casio watch. The volume. Let's see what else. The channels. Go to channel Nickelodeon. Hold on. I'm trying to do it without. See, there's Nickelodeon, and let's turn it off. Okay guys, that was my video review of my Casio Universal Remote Wristwatch. And stay tuned for more videos, and